2017 Kia Picanto EX 1.2 automatic. Ikutin natin guys. Sariwa pa. Yung gulong nito, 4 bago. Arrivo tires. Okay, check natin. Bago yan. Bago. Check natin loob guys. Ito yung loob. 58,000 yung mileage. All powered na. Check natin yung likod. Ito yung likod guys. Okay. Ito yung baggage. Maluwag din. Yung spare. Check natin yung engine guys. Okay, ito yung engine. Ayan. Bagong change oil to guys. Ang registration nito October 2026 pa. At saka bago yung brake pad nito guys. Bago yung front brake pad. Thank you guys.